Welcome to the Creating a New Opportunity tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you two ways to create a new opportunity, from a company screen and from the Opportunities Options menu. I'll also go over the Details and Admin tab of an opportunity, show you how to print and email opportunities, and how to upload documents to opportunities. Let's start with creating new opportunities. Creating a sales opportunity from a company screen will by default have the Bill To, Contact, Ship To fields and some shipping terms pre-filled out. When a purchase transaction is created from a company screen, Bill To becomes Vendor and the Ship To address changes to your information. I'll show you what I mean. First, I'll open up a company screen. To add an opportunity, click on Add New Opportunities. Up at the top right is where you select the opportunity type from the drop-down menu. Again, this is configured at the setup to reflect your workflow. For this example, I'm going to leave it at the default setting for sales quote. You'll notice that all three columns, Bill To, Contact, and Ship To, are filled out, as well as payment and shipping terms. These reflect selections from the company setup, but they can be edited here. Other fields are those regarding dates. You'll notice there's a field for actual ship date to be filled out at a later stage. There's also a field for the customer's requested ship date and the customer's expected delivery date. Dates can be added by typing them in or by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting a date from the mini calendar. Over on the left, we have a field for the customer's purchase order number. There are also fields for shipping account number and tracking number. Let's take a look at the order entry section. Line item types available in the demo system are normal, memo, warranties, and shipping info. These are custom settings set up in the company setup menu. We won't be going over that though in this tutorial. The default in the demo system is set to normal. To enter a part number, simply click inside the text field and start typing. You'll see a drop-down of similar products, and when you see the one you want, you can go ahead and select it. In the demo system, there's a field for HESI and CLI code. This is important in the telecom industry. However, if it doesn't apply to you, the column name can be changed and you can use it for entering other data. There's also a description field. If there is a description with the product chosen, it will be pre-filled. There's a quantity and a price each column. When these are entered, the line amount will be automatically calculated every time it's saved. The Save Changes button is up at the top left. As an example, I'm going to enter 10 for quantity and save my changes. You'll notice the color coding shows if items are on hand, on order, or need ordering. We can see here that these items need ordering. Over on the left, you'll see the View Inventory blue button. This button opens up a transaction history for the product entered. At the top of the list is the quote we're working on, and as we scroll down, we can see some additional transaction history. We can see what it cost us to buy them and how much we've sold them for in the past. To close this window, simply click on the red X. To the right of the line type, you'll see the blue button for pricing. Clicking on this will allow you to view notes on pricing or enter new notes on pricing for a product. Let's say we do some preliminary shopping around and we find out that company A has 5 on hand for $45 each. Company B has 10 on hand for $39 each. And company C has 12 on hand for $42 each. By clicking on the Save button, we'll save this pricing information that can be pulled up later. To close the window, click on X. If we pulled the order back up at a later time, we could click on View Pricing and a list of the pricing notes that were added. By clicking on Select, we can see all of the pricing information that's come up. This is useful for taking some notes initially for yourself, and it's also very useful if you're splitting that responsibility between two people. One person can put the notes in, and then the salesperson can pull up the information. I'm going to go ahead and quote these at $140 each, then press Save. If for any reason you need to delete a line item, it can be done by checking the delete box, then saving the changes. Remember when I said that purchase transactions change the information to vendor and ship to? I'll show you that now. Now you can see it's been changed to vendor and the ship to is now going to your company. Now let's take a look at the Details tab. Here you can choose from a selection of predetermined checkboxes. Selecting Needs Build Configuration on a purchasing transaction on the demo system will require a lab testing in the workflow automation. We'll go over that more in a later tutorial. There are text fields for adding opportunity notes, shipping notes, configuration notes, and billing notes. The Admin tab allows users to select a purchasing admin or a shipper from the drop-downs. With admin rights, you can also view an action log for an opportunity by clicking on the View Action Log button. There are some more options available for admins, but we won't get into those in this tutorial. To add documents to an opportunity, you can click on Documents up at the top. This will allow you to browse for and upload the file you want. To print or email the opportunity, you can simply hover your mouse over the Print button and make your choice from the drop-down. Before I end this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an opportunity from the Opportunity Options menu. First, you'll open the Opportunity search screen by clicking on Opportunities from the main menu. Now click on Options, then Add New Opportunity. From this screen, you'll simply start typing in the company name in the company name field, then select the desired company from the drop-down. This concludes the Creating New Opportunity tutorial. Thank you for watching.